Alright guys, I guess this is my pre-little m mechanical introduction to this. So anyways, I'm doing a spark plug change because I don't have enough for a coil pack, and I was like, you know what, this might help, because these engines are known for gasket leaks around each plug, and so oil gets down there. But anyways, number one was pretty dry. Number two was the worst. I mean, you dip the fucking socket in there, it was covered in oil. So these three were so bad that I had to loosen up the timing chain cover, undo the cam position sensor, and then, or cam's position sensor. And then what I did was I took out all the spark plugs already because this gasket broke. I'm sure I could use it, reuse it, and silicone it, but just got a new one coming. So I'm gonna gasket around this or silicone around that while putting the gasket, because these things, I don't know how shiny you can see in there. I tried to clean as best as I could, but it is just, there's oil. I mean, it was so bad. I tried to get, like I said, as much as I could. The cams look pretty good. There's some, it's not, it's very smooth to the fingernail. There's nothing bad, but these hazes, you can see, they don't feel rough or anything. Oil Valley, back to the oil pan, looks pretty decently clean. This is pretty good, but yeah, what I'm mainly going to focus on is on these 1.6 daewoo engines, is that you just mainly, I wish I had, more tools, because I would just take off this whole head and Dremel around the spark plug thing, whatever the wires, that you stick down there. But I would bevel that so I could put a deeper gasket in there or more RTV or something. But that's what we got so far. And next up is put it all back together.